This video will go over the steps to acquire and configure an AppStudio Standard license. Note, if you are using an ArcGIS trial account, you can skip ahead to Step 4. Step 1 is to sign up for an ArcGIS Developer subscription. The AppStudio Standard license is included with an ArcGIS Developer subscription, builder level and above. You can find more information about the ArcGIS Developer program and how to sign up by going to developers.arcgis.com. Step 2. Register and activate your developer subscription. After you have received an email from Esri with your developer subscription code, log into the My Esri portal. Click on the My Organizations tab, then Licensing Forms, and then the Developer Subscription Registration. Enter your code and click Register. Now, under the Developer subtab, click on the option to activate your subscription and provide the necessary information as prompted. Step 3. Set up your Dev and Test organization. Your developer subscription comes with a separate ArcGIS organization for development and testing. This is the org which contains your AppStudio Standard license. From the ArcGIS Developer site, go to the dashboard page and click Set up Dev and Test Organization. Follow the prompts to fill out information for your new Dev and Test org. Step 4. Configure the AppStudio license. Go to arcgis.com and log in with the credentials of your Dev and Test account or trial account if you are doing an ArcGIS trial. Click on the Organization tab, then Manage Licenses, Additional Products, and then configure your account with an AppStudio Standard license. Step 5. Log in to AppStudio Desktop. Download and install AppStudio Desktop from the appstudio.arcgis.com website. Launch the AppStudio application and log in with your Dev and Test account or ArcGIS trial account. You now have access to all the powerful tools for creating great apps that come with AppStudio for ArcGIS.